Alright, we might have factorization by identities. So remember, we have our a squared minus b squared would be equal to a plus b and a minus b, which means that if we have a square number minus another square number or a square expression, we can break it down into plus and minus. And also with our perfect square, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals to a plus b all square, as well as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals to a minus b all square. These are all the information that you need to get through with those. Now we are actually going to take the factorization. So here is an example. I got 64n squared minus n to the power 4. Before we start with a factorization, I can see a square, but I will take the common factor out first. So I have n squared equals to 64 minus n squared. In my mind, I will have n squared leaving as it is, and then 8 squared minus n squared. Now I have 2 squared minus and subtracting each other. So I have n squared and then 8 plus n, 8 minus n, and that's how we factorize it. Alright, here is another one. So we have x plus 1 square minus 4. So I can see a square. I want the 4 to be a square. So now I feel much better. So I have x plus 1 plus 2 and x plus 1 minus 2. So plus minus. And then remove the bracket. So I have x plus, there's no square there, x plus 1 plus 2 and x plus 1 minus 2. Simplify it, and we have x plus 3 as well as x minus 1 as the answer. Sometimes we will, and then as for perfect square, we need to see things with what we like to see. Say for example, we have 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. So now we're going to think of like 9x squared, we can have 3x all square plus 4 is 2 square. Now we think of the middle, like 2 times 3x times 2. Now we can have it the a square. We have the hidden here, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And so we can have our 3x and 2. The middle one is plus, so we add them up. It's just that easy with the factorization. And last but not least is the grouping terms. And we'll talk about that in the next video.